Well, guys, this might be goodbye. Woo! Gonna miss the sound of these pipes, man. What's going on, everybody? D-Cycle here on a Monday after work edition of D-Cycle Motovlogs. On my way home from work.
Everybody's working for the weekend. Everybody wants a new romance.
And what you may have been able to get the hint of at the beginning of this video is, well, this may very well be one of the last videos you see with me on the Iron 883. I've been in talks with the guys at Ted's Harley and been doing a lot of research and a lot of thinking. And after I did that test ride video last month, I am really sold on that Sport Glide. That Sport Glide is a fun bike. And another thing too, the 2019s just came out last week, and so the 2018 models are going to be discounted a little bit. And Harley's got a promotion going on right now where they've got unbeatable finance rates. And yes, I do have to finance my bike. I can't pay cash for it outright because I don't have $18,000 just laying around, you know, to buy a bike outright. No, it's always the best to pay cash for a bike, but Daddy's not rich, and neither am I. So for the 2019s, they came out with a few more colors. Nothing at all is different from the 2018 to the 2019 except for the color schemes that they came out with for 2019. They came out with a midnight blue, which I absolutely love. It's a real dark blue, real nice. And they also released a few more colors, I think sort of a red and a candy apple green color, which kind of really popped too. But you know me, I'm all about the blue. But that's not going to make or break it with me to get the 19. So since the 18s went down, I'm just going to get an all black 18.
Outstanding.
I can't wait. I'm really excited. Now, I'm not really sure when I'm going to be able to go down and get it. Ted said right now all they had was one in the silver and in the maroon because they only came in 3 colors in 18. And I want the black, which they didn't have one on their showroom floor, but they gave me the idea that if I wanted to get a black one, they would just need a couple days notice ahead. And they could get one for me. So yeah, I think it's actually becoming a reality. And I've looked I'm not an impulse buyer, so I just don't go anywhere and buy anything without actually researching, looking at my finances and make sure I'm going to be able to afford whatever I'm paying for. Unless it's some little, you know, $50 or cheaper item. But I'm excited. I'm really ready to step up to a bigger bike. I've had a lot of fun on this one. It's been a great bike for me. It's been maintenance free. The only thing I had to do with it when I bought it was I had to change out the little light cluster underneath the speedo because the guy that had it before me, it actually sat for about a year. And the only thing it needed was a new battery, which he paid for, and that light cluster must have gone out because of the bike being leaned over, and probably any condensation or water that got on it probably got down into the light cluster down here and just, you know, blew out some of the lights. So it was a simple, like, $50 fix. But like I said before, this was a great first bike. If you guys are watching this video, watching my channel for the first time, and you've been thinking about getting an Iron 883 for your first bike, or just to have a bike to skip around town on, man, go for it. This is a fantastic bike. The engine is a brick. It's probably the most reliable and best built engine that Harley's come out with in all its years of being a bike company. Really easy to work on yourself. I mean, I knew nothing about engines, and you know, I do my own oil changes and a lot of other things I've been able to adjust or fix myself. But I'm not a mechanic, so if anything ever got out of hand where I felt like I couldn't do it myself, I took it to a professional, which only happened I think maybe once or twice. I had somebody look at my brakes, which there was no way I was going to be taking off the calipers or anything myself to do that. When it's very labor intensive and I'm going to have to spend like hours out in my garage, I'm not going to do it myself. If I'm going to have a couple hours to myself, I would rather have this beast on the road than in the garage working on it. That's just the way I am. The time I get to ride is few and far between anymore. Hopefully when I get that new bike, that kind of stops, I'm able to get out on it a little more. Another thing that's been affecting my riding has been the weather. It rained most of the time last week when I was able to commute to work, and it just sucks. I mean, I had the bike sit in the garage probably 20 out of 21 days. It's not good when you're a motovlogger, especially. So nothing else is really new, guys. Just let me know what you think. I mean, I'm going to do what I'm going to do. If I'm going to upgrade my bike, that's my decision. I'm going to do it. But hopefully it doesn't drive you guys away from the channel just because of the bike I ride. Hopefully you guys stick around. And what I've been noticing too is, like, I haven't put out as many videos lately, but my subscriber count's going up pretty drastically. I think in the last week, you know, I've only put out one video, and the week before that, maybe no videos at all. But I've gained like 15 to 20 subscribers without doing much of anything. But for all you watching that's new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you guys stick around for some more content. Speaking of more content, I'll be going on a ride this weekend. It'll be a majority of the day with a couple buddies of mine, so we'll be checking out some cool places to ride, going to some new territory maybe, and we'll be filming along the way, so look for that video sometime next week. Man, it feels pretty nice out now. It was really humid this morning. And that's the thing too, last week we had perfect weather. We had upper 70s for the highs, and for some reason Mother Nature decided to not take her pills, and here we back are to 90-degree weather. Doesn't feel too bad right now though. So you guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and then that bell icon, and it'll let you know when I got new videos up available for your eyes and your ear holes. If you guys take it sleazy, make sure to buy a t-shirt if you want to help out people with special needs. Leave me a message in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.